guys, welcome back to part 3. And today, instead of selecting the characters, we have the characters I have. So I'm just gonna put Mario. See? Now to press A. Remember, I beat the Maestros, the Comets. It's time for the Blizzard's turn. Oh, didn't save me in the next match. Alrighty, the Buzzsaws versus the Blizzards. And here we are! Toad gets an excellent start. How did Toad score? Okay, found that one for me. Don't worry. I'm gonna do some payback. Oh boy, I hit my own teammate. I can't score there. It's just, hold on. Holy camoli, how come they get the score and I can't? Watch this. Oh, stupid Pauline. Crap. 2-0, man. Like if I'm going to lose. Subscribe if I can win. Alright. Ah, these idiots. Oh yeah, baby. It's 2-1 and I'm on the board. Whatever that thing was, it was so terrible. Like, no way no one's gonna score against me. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my god. 2-2. And now we're tied. Oh, Boom Boom, hurry up. Like, I'm sorry guys, Boom Boom just always takes so long. And that's that, folks. I just scored to make it 3-2. What the What the Please get up. Yeah, baby. 4-2. You know what feels so weird? Oh, crap. 4-3. And it's stupid Toad again. I swear, if someone scores again, I am going to puke them off. I swear. Haha, sucker. Yup. They can't make me score. Still 5-3. Are you kidding me? How come they get more items and I only get a bomb for Christmas? Oh, this is what I hate about. See? Why do they always get the item? Yeah. They're so dumb. They don't know where I am. 6-3, baby. I'm gonna act like the Blizzard code. Oh, come on, you just made it 1-0 and now you're losing 6-3 already? 7-3. Okay. Oh wow. I only have 1 minute and 30 seconds, but idiots. I thought that was my Pauline. Don't worry, guys. Like if they were gonna score. I'm sorry, Berto. Can't let you score. Whoa! Whoa, no, 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 no. I'm stupid. Hey, don't worry, guys. It's just a horrible Hyper Striker. There's a 100% chance I could save it. Oh no. How? They did the worst Hyper Striker ever. Oh, that's it. I am going to score 2 goals. Wow! I am getting revenge on those. Alright, 1 goal left until I make it 9-5. It's already a 5 and I've been filming for 5 minutes. Yup, I broke the record. 9-5. I'm so mad about Pauline Hyper Striker. No! Hey, that's cheating! Oh, come on! Hey, the score might be 9-7, but I'm still gonna win. You know that? What the hell? I swear, if they tie this game up, I am going to kill their butts. Ow! Oh, that's it. I am going to kill. Oh, great. 9-7. But I still won the trophy. They didn't win it. Haha. Alright, let's see the score. They got 2 freaking Hyper Strikers. Like, it's all Pauline's fault. See the one who cheated, but we still won. Hey guys, here's the important question. Like, if it was my fault that we didn't get the striker, and subscribe if it was Pauline's fault. No wait, actually let me restart this part. Okay, so whose fault was it? Like if it was our fault, and subscribe if it was our fault, or comment. Anyways, let us see the score. The Blizzards are out, everyone's out, but me, I'm the winner. Who wants to see the cup? This is the cup. Congratulations, Turbo Cup victory. Oh, anyways, subscribe to my channel. Plus, like if it was our fault. Subscribe if it was Pauline's fault that we didn't get the strike orb. Anyways, bye and see you on the next video. I don't know when my next video will be. But who cares? But I'm gonna think of it. Bye.